How often do you hear people complaining about hair transplant treatments going wrong? Many people invest time and money on hair restoration treatment but get no result. Let us understand, why does hair transplant treatment fail? One of the major reasons for hair transplant treatment failure is inexperienced doctors and unhygienic clinics that do not handle the hair grafts with proper care. Without the supervision of an experienced medical professional, there is a higher chance of infection as well. The usual hair transplant treatments need a lot of aftercare and patience. Negligible aftercare post-treatment will lead to infection and also destroy healthy hair follicles. Hair transplant treatment is difficult on weak donor site. A person having significant baldness has a smaller number of healthy hair follicles, which makes it challenging to conduct successful hair transplantation. How can you avoid hair transplant failure and ensure successful hair restoration? Modified Hair Implantation (MHI) is an upgraded hair transplant treatment formulated after extensive research by an accomplished and experienced team of expert doctors. MHI is completely safe, FDA approved, non-surgical, and less time consuming. While aftercare is essential for MHI treatment, it significantly reduces the chances of infection due to its speedy recovery process. MHI treatment has a scientifically proven high success rate. This treatment has shown positive results even in cases of significant baldness and ensures long-lasting results. The reason why MHI works so well is because this upgraded treatment increases graft survival rate and enriches the hair follicles for successful hair restoration. MHI treatment boosts hair follicle regeneration by nourishing the scalp with the help of platelet-rich plasma (PRP) treatment. MHI is a patented treatment of Vplant Hair Clinic, a distinctly advanced and well-equipped state-of-the-art clinic that gives high regard to patient satisfaction and comfort. MHI treatment can also fix any prior failed hair transplantations and give you better results. To avoid failure and to make the most out of your hair transplant treatment, connect with Vplant Hair Clinic. Thank you for watching.